Chapter 9.1 Class and Object in Pygame 0. 2.2 Preparation for Class. How to move circle.
How can I move the red circle?
You can move the red circle using the update function. Let's write the code to move the red circle downward.
What does this code mean?
This code declares variables as global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of functions and outside. This code increases the y-axis value over time and moves the red circle downward. Let's run this code. The red circle is moving downward.